sorry if you can't hear me, but what I'm doing here is I'm putting some jumps next to the trails along my field here. Is that the entrance? Damn, I would have to clear all this out then. This used to be a trail.
Smooth, like cognac, I'm a big threat, yeah. I just came to sightsee and get your bitch wet. Ooh, that's a big flex. Stock going up like 6x. You see the drip, wrist wet. Heard somebody say that I ain't made a hit yet. Had to hit him back with a quick text. Shit, couldn't tell from these big checks. Oh yeah, man, Rose, back at it. Yeah, back at it. Yeah, back at it. Had to run a mill like a track addict. Take a crack at it, like a crack addict. You see the numbers, think it's black magic.
I fucking...
Does he have his bike?
No. I'm thinking about calling... Should I call him now? Heck yeah.
I gotta go pick up Nathan.
I'm gonna go trim the vines out of the way and try to fix the holes with the... Yeah, I cleared it out, but there's a bunch of like holes and shit.
Is there any logs yet?
Yeah.
He's back, baby!
Is it running?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, starts first gear.
Yes. I knew it. I knew he would do it. I was like, you got your bike back, didn't you?
I just asked her to give it. Yeah, how much did that cost you?
Come on, speak about it. Yeah, on the road.
I only got 5 years, but I'll do it.
sad. This a cricket match, couple day affair with your wife. You think she leaving with my hoodie? Told her give it back. Stop up at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last. I wonder what it's like to drop and ain't feeling that. Been through a lot, but I ain't never had to deal with that. And fuck about I'm bunk, I'm done laying low. I'm done acting like the enemy ain't made of gold. Solid to the core. I never play a
I think I know what to do.
Don't blow it up. You like it?
This thing's a piece of shit.
You can get a little gas.
All right.
You like it?
Yeah. That's correct.
It is quick.
Mine real quick.
He must have went out
Wait
there.
till his bars are turned and
Yeah.
he comes down and just
Scared me.
brake fluid somewhere? Cause
What? Those brakes are hot. Those brakes are really hot. Yeah, they're loose in there.
what, this? Yeah, let's
Oh my god, you blew out my rear brakes?
Ouch!
Yeah. You feel it on your leg? Because it's right there on your leg. It's
Wait,
perfect.
why would it be hot? Don't touch it.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. It burnt the freaking piss. It's so hot. Do you have white on your finger like I do?
No.
Nate Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna party, yeah. The spot like summer and some new dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try it out, end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM, every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' sweat it, cause she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush, that's a double L.
What happened?
What was that? That's too much power for that jump. I don't know. I'm gonna get out before I come to look. That didn't happen. Nothing happened.
He's gonna be editing this.
He is. I guess you gotta take these things out of gear.
That'll probably help. What do you think you're editing, Chuck?
What? What happened?
Wow.
Let me just say, I got it on film.
Did he fall? Did he know?
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to step in.
my head's shaking. It's so loud. Oh my goodness.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me.